three quite urban markets of Manipur to remain shut down for 3 weeks starting tomorrow in the wake of novel coronavirus pandemic outbreak. Chief Minister N. Biren urges public to strictly abide by Prime Minister Modi's call for Janata curfew from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. on March 22nd in view of COVID-19 outbreak. Opposition leader Okrami Bobi stresses on need for government to take stricter measures against coronavirus pandemic outbreak. India reports fifth COVID-19 death as 69-year-old Italian citizen passed away in Jaipur. Total positive coronavirus cases in India reached 206. And 4 convicts in Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case hanged to death at Tihar jail in Delhi early this morning. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Women vendors of the 3 Quaidamban markets have resolved to shut down the markets in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Speaking to media at Quaidamban market today, President of Quaidamban Kaithel Saktam Amadi Sinpham Kanbalub T.H. Shanti said vendors of the markets have decided to shut down the markets for 3 weeks starting tomorrow as safety measures against the disease, though there is not a single confirmed case in Manipur yet. She said the decision was taken following government's advice to avoid crowded place. The Shanti said the markets are highly crowded and risks of contracting disease is high. She also said there is no adequate water for hand washing or other safety measures in place. She appealed to all the shopkeepers to remain shut down except for emergencies.
Akoi pofam phambi amana ji kuntra kaktani phamjari se ji kuntra je amaga phagan ngana raga phamba ngaktani leiba laiba mi disu yam nakna di leiminaraga kirike inana yonba lakpa mine leiba lakpa mine pofam phami be mi dune aduki matik jinba maramna akoi kaithel sida karigumba da sigi leina ase ama khaktangna santomba taragadi pungda lisingi matakta sandorok pasu yae na koina khali adona mase isa gi oina akoina bhap tajaraga akoi masen masigi leina sidagi ngakthoknaba hapta ahum je koi pot yomba se hayeng dagi akoi lepchare haidana koi miyamda kaithen phami ba singsida aikoi masi haijaba haure aduga soidanamak mayamse leina sidagi kibanina nam tawbi yabirakani haibagi thajabasu lei.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has urged the public to strictly abide by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for Janata curfew from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. on March 22nd in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat today, Chief Minister N. Biren urged people of the state to pray for the safety of doctors and nurses working across the world against coronavirus after the curfew at 9 p.m. on March 22nd, urging the public to take utmost precaution against the disease and to avoid mass gatherings except for emergencies and religious ceremonies. Although there is not a single confirmed case in Manipur yet, the Chief Minister also said the state government has decided to split shift of the government employees. He also appealed to the women vendors of Quaidamban market to work on a rotational basis, assuring that the state has an adequate stock of essential supplies, and Biren urged the people not to indulge in panic buying. The Chief Minister also appealed to submit details of those students and people stranded outside Manipur at government offices or at Chief Minister's office without further delay.
Akoi madu pot phangoroi gaina ki udre emne bagi madu su mathau ta pot ke awat pa leiroi how ge awat pa leiroi karigma makhalam de ge awat pa leiroi adagi panic buying to ba khotpa adu dana mo hena thokani adu gumsu mathau ta de khadi par madu ge pot punamak to koi loina adagi yam maroina World Health Organization ki instruction, Ministry of Health, Government of India ki instruction matung ina expert ki matung ina tare sahi 65 ki mathak ta hel lava moishidana hena immune system sondarakpana khangde kari khanai medical terminology didation erorege experts sing matungina sahi humanga helaba miyosindi hariwa sayol ani hum siti ani mapan thoktana manungda leibiyo hai adagi amana khoigi laiba khoigi tari kuni thoigi ngasa in haijagi bu tari kuni thoigi sidi ayu pung taret tagina numidang pung mapan phaubu sidi kari gumba matha sathok sasin tawgana self curfew self imposed tawjagadabani khoina sidai da police tharga noi thokono laungnabagi mathok tade ai khoi gi isa kan hingnana bani ai khoi leiba praja mayam hingnana bani ai khoi praja mayam hairiba dungba virus fattaba virus sidagi mayokta thengnana ba khoi gi state chigi miyam gi ba bharat chigi ba aduga state manipur gi ba amato ba fire abna ai khoi isana thokcheroi dabani.
Opposition leader Okrami Bobi has stressed on the need for both central and state governments to take stricter measures against coronavirus pandemic outbreak. Speaking to media at his quarter in Babupara today, Okrami Bobi said Manipur, being a border area, is at higher risk of contracting COVID-19, though there is not a single positive case in the northeast states as of yet. He said mere checking of temperatures is not enough and stressed on the need to take in-depth study of people's travel history and quarantine those suspected people for at least 14 days. Bobi urged the government to take extra precautionary measures at the airport, hospitals, markets and other public places, stating that West Bengal has already earmarked 200 crore rupees to battle coronavirus. The CLP leader urged the state government to set aside budget for the same. He also urged the public not to panic but to abide by safety measures advised by doctors and other experts, assuring that the Congress party will help in raising awareness on coronavirus. The opposition leader appealed to everyone to cooperate in fighting the disease.
Mapanda, any Maharashtra, the Bombay, the Lairuba Hairo, Karnataka, the Lairuba like Tamba, any professional Lairuba Mayapunamusi Halakpa Matamda. Yamna section sumna isam samna temperature yanga ta thador panata. Mapanda, international player, when all the foreign country, the order of India is Hanabachalun. Hello, order. Yes, history ship has a low biraga. Karaisa Lubono, Kamdo Bono, the Yi Kanana Kani, foreign countries, Aroga, Idili, Halakpani, Haram Basuya, Yoram Basuya, Yoram the Basuya. The Sikumba Mayam Singshi, I question the well equipped over, Natabanina. Amatang heck cannot talk with a hold, in fact, talk with a hold, but an uncontrollable way, but situation of the Lakadra in a Hijari city, a quite SARS a day. Masi Karayana serious whening behavior. India, you in a Henkala Iba, Masi Muktada 180 Henry. You must see Haptangi among the day, Kuntrani food, sing is out Henkala Padona, Henkal Avis Zeda. I quay Punna Hotnamina Bama, I quay Sai Tagisu, Angamba, I quay Carino, Quina contribute over Yaba, the Kalebama from Karayana serious whening.
CLP leader Okrami Bobi appreciated the Supreme Court's verdict to seize ministerial bird of Thaunautam Shyamkumar and barring him from entering the State Assembly complex. He said it's time to look deeper into the Indian judicial system and the 10th schedule. Okrami Bobi also said the relevant authority will take necessary actions if T.H. Shyamkumar forcefully tries to cast his vote for the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections. He reminded that T.H. Shyamkumar won the last state general elections from Andhra constituency on Indian National Congress ticket, but he defected the party and joined the BJP against the 10th schedule. Bobi said Congress MLAs have been fighting for disqualification of Minister Shyamkumar since 2017. The opposition leader said justice delayed is justice denied.
India gi judicial system se masikra lengthy oibra mara lebdo hum soibra anybody thuna time bound masi appropriate action lawdragadi yai na adu masina sum delay tawsina justice delayed justice denied haibdo adu aroibda lairba migdi mapunsista achumba justice haibdo hangba ngamdana ayamba siradra na aduna Indian judicial system jisu amuk relook tawba ai darka oire haina ai khanjai adu sitting arrangement tawribasi akoi 27 chi adum opposition bench ta adum akoi tawbiribdune aduna takpri moi as of now Congress ne ta inem RTI da hangai moi Congress ne haire who da su haire ada sidai da Congress candidate p da batargadi makha ta ba course of action do the any type of punishment sidi government su piba ngamde ekhoina su piba ngamde law court na aina tawrubaduna aina adum phangba taba.
On the other hand, residents around Extra Edge, Imphal Valley and HRD School at Tidim in Imphal West strongly condemned the government's notice to convert 5 schools into quarantine centers to prevent the anticipated risks of potential spread of COVID-19 in the state. People of the area obstructed those individuals arriving to arrange quarantine activities today. Maira Paibis of the area even locked Extra Edge School from outside to block entry.
Lengang order Tokiba Hibadi Hojik Malam Pumbada India Handorliba Corona Birth Company na Manipur su Haribalena Sandoktanaba quarantine on a Thamnabi the Makta Impal West Kitonganba school Singda quarantine area on a Thamnaba Lautoka Matunda Hojik and Hojik Lady say extra S school Mangani Hariba school Amadi Imphal Valley Amadi HRD Yakobi Miamna Hariba school Ahumsida quarantine Thamba Yaro Hajuna Lambida Changmutim Lady Duga Amaromda Miamna Pakali by si Habidi Lena Asi Aduki Matik Hatiba Maramna Anakpodale Musin and Rokada Habaki Baladi Aduga Marakashida Quadaki Chauna Tambia Pamdi Legana Sugumba Torang Pakalam Daida Hariba Mapamasi Akwe the Labor Club Amadi Mera Pabishing Maruana Miamga Pau Pong the Bagi Achoma Mima Tari Aduga Hojimaki Oina Kogi extra H Amadi HRD that Kogi Department but one back quarantine Amo Bagi Tofum Tokwa Tabama Tobu Udri Adubu Impal Belida Hybrid Impal Belly Academy the day Hariba Department Mission Lactuna quarantine Tambagi Tabak Packet Pakardi Hauri Habi Pauleri Hariba Pouching Sim Hatava Pouching Koi Pumai Paulo Pizake Hojiki and the camera person Kabigolina Palomjari by Kitamim Premsan Back News Info.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 5th COVID-19 death in India. Keep watching Impact. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Afternoon News. India today recorded its 5th death due to novel coronavirus as a 69-year-old Italian citizen who had reportedly recovered 3 days ago passed away in Jaipur. Total number of confirmed coronavirus cases in India has reached 206. Maharashtra is still the most infected state with 52 positive cases. The virus has infected over 246,000 people worldwide and more than 10,000 people have lost their lives. Around 88,486 people have recovered from the virus. After China, Italy, Iran and Spain are the countries with maximum positive cases. The government has created WhatsApp chat box for queries on novel coronavirus. National Pharmaceuticals Pricing Authority and PPA said the WhatsApp chat box is called MyGov Corona Help Desk. It said people can just save the number 9013151515 on WhatsApp and get an automated response on queries related to COVID-19. India has banned entry of all international commercial passenger flights from March 22nd for 1 week. An official statement said state governments will issue appropriate directions so that all citizens above 65 are advised to remain at home. It excludes public representatives, government servants and medical professionals. Similarly, all children below 10 should be advised to stay at home and not to venture out. Railways and civil aviation will suspend all concessional travel except for students, patients and Divyang category. States are being requested to enforce work from home for private sector employees except those working in emergency or essential services. The 4 convicts in Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case were hanged to death at Tihar jail in Delhi early this morning. The executions were carried out after the convicts exhausted every possible legal avenue to escape the gallows. Delhi High Court and Supreme Court last night dismissed a last-minute plea by the convicts, paving the way for the execution. This is for the first time that 4 men were hanged together in the Tihar jail. Nirbhaya, a paramedic student, was gang raped by 6 men in a moving bus in southwest Delhi in December 2012. One of the accused killer himself in jail and the 6 A juvenile was released from a reformation home after serving a 3-year term. Reacting to the development, Nirbhaya's mother thanked Indian judiciary for doing justice to Nirbhaya and millions of women across the country. National Commission for Women NCW chairperson Rekha Sharma said Nirbhaya has finally got justice and will finally be at peace. She hoped that the case will play a deterrent for others and no such case in future should take this long to deliver justice. She said this case also showed people the loopholes of legal system which the 4 convicts took advantage of. She stressed on the need to establish fast-track courts to handle such gruesome crimes and deliver justice on time in future. Youth Defence Council YDC Langtabal has set ablaze large quantity of drugs being ferried in 2 vehicles, a Bolero and Tata Magic. The contraband drugs included large quantity of wind cigarettes and cough syrup bottles. Impact News sources said the 2 vehicles collided at Langtabal Thong Ahanbi under Singjumai police station at around 8:30 p.m. yesterday. When people of the area rushed to help, they found that both the vehicles were ferrying huge quantity of contraband items. A team of Singjumai police tried to seize the drugs, but people of the area set them on fire in front of YDC. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. 3 Khwairambin markets of Manipur to remain shut down for 3 weeks starting tomorrow in the wake of novel coronavirus pandemic outbreak. Chief Minister N. Biren urges public to strictly abide by Prime Minister Modi's call for Janata curfew from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. on March 22nd in view of COVID-19 outbreak. Opposition leader Ogrami Bobi stresses on need for government to take stricter measures against coronavirus pandemic outbreak. India reports 5th COVID-19 death as 69-year-old Italian citizen passed away in Jaipur. Total positive coronavirus cases in India reached 206. And 4 convicts in Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case hanged to death at Tihar jail in Delhi early this